How are you today? Before we start to our mathematics lesson, let me introduce first our learning objectives. After watching this video, you are expected to define linear equation in two variables. Determine the value of a, b, and c in ax plus b is equals to c. Evaluate linear equation in two variables. Determine other real-life situations that can be modeled using linear equation in two variables. Let's start this by reviewing some properties of real numbers you have learned in your Mathematics 7. Do you still remember the properties of real numbers? The additive inverse property, additive identity property, multiplicative identity property, multiplicative inverse property, and commutative property of addition. Oh, that's good. Bear these properties in mind because we will be using this in the succeeding discussion. Now, let's have our activity. I want you to prepare any kind of paper and ball pen for you to write your answer. Consider the situation about Alice and Mia combine the score in badminton. Complete the table by finding the score of one's player, then answer it in 5 seconds. Time is up! Let us check. How did you find the activity? Is it difficult to find the score if one's player score is given? Well, very good. I think you know the answer it easily. Now, can you guess what is our lesson for today? Oh, very good. Our lesson is about linear equation in two variables. In your activity, the combined score of Alice and Mia can be written as follows. Alice score plus Mia score a total of 20. Replacing Alice score by a variable of x and Mia score by a variable of y, respectively, the equation becomes x plus y is equals to 20. This is an example of linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables, remember, if a, b, and c are real number, and if a, b are not both equal to 0, then ax plus by is equals to c. Then the number a and b are coefficients of the variables x and y, respectively, while the number c is the constant. Therefore, the equation x plus y equals to 20 is written in standard form, where a is equals to 1, b is equals to 1, and c equals to 20. So, when can we say that a linear equation is in its standard form? When a linear equation in two variables is written in the order of ax plus by is equals to c. Now, consider this equation of 2y is equals to 4 minus 3x. Question: how many variables are used in the equation? Very good! It has two variables, the x and the y. How many variables in its term? It has only one variable in its term. Is the equation written in standard form? If not, how can we rewrite the standard form? The equation 2y is equals to 4 minus 3x is not an standard form because it is not written in the form of ax plus by equals to c. But this can be transformed into standard form as follows. The given is 2y is equals to 4 minus 3x. Using additive inverse, we have 2y plus 3x is equals to 4 minus 3x plus 3x. We simplify. 2y plus 3x equals 4 minus 0. Using additive identity property, we have 2y plus 3x equals to 4. And 3x plus 2y equals to 4, our commutative property addition. And this is the standard form of our equation 2y equals 4 minus 3x. Therefore, 3x plus 2y equals to 4 is now written in standard form where a is equals to 3, b is equals to 2, and c equals to 4. Alright, are you ready for our next activity? Before we proceed, I want you to know that there are things to remember in identifying linear equation in two variables. Take note that it has two variables. There is no more than one variable in each term. The exponent of the variable in each term is 1, or the degree of the equation is 1. There is no variable in the denominator. There is no variable inside radical sign. Generally, it is written in the form of ax plus by equals to c. Alright, did you get those reminders? Very good. We can now proceed. This activity entitled Mark Me, yes or no. Write yes if the equation below is linear equation in two variables. Otherwise, no. Answer it in 10 seconds. Time is up. You can check your answer now. Is your answer correct? Very good. You want more? Alright, I give you more. Now, write each of the following linear equation into variables in standard form. Answer it in 5 seconds. Are you done? Time is up. Now, let's check your answer. Is your answers correct? Excellent! Good job, everyone! And that's all for today. I am Joylyn Niligan at Molcas, a student in mathematics.